Hi there. Welcome to Pi-Fi Code, where you can learn and master computers and computer programming. Today, let us write a Hello World program using the nim programming language. Before doing that, kindly make sure that you have nim installed on your system. You can find installation instructions in the description of this video. The Hello World program is traditionally the first program that programmers write in a programming language that is new to them. So let's dive in. The Hello World program is a little program that prints the phrase Hello World in the terminal. The terminal is a text-based interface to your operating system. In this video, we are using a Linux machine. If you are on Windows, you can use WSL. For printing text in the terminal, all you need is nim's standard printing statement echo. The key feature of the nim programming language is its elegant syntax. So printing something on the screen is as simple as echo, hello world. Once you save your file, you can run the program in your terminal by typing nimc-r hello.nim. And that's it. You have just written and executed your first nim program. Thank you for watching this video. There is more to come. Let us meet in the next one.